Hey there, my creative pals. Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today, we're brewing up a Halloween masterpiece on that spooky, but oh so cute. Get your art supplies ready, because we're drawing a mischievous little ghost peeking out of a honey barrel. Let's jump right into the fun. We'll kick things off by sketching the ghost's head. Picture a friendly ghost with two adorable round eyes in the middle. And a warm smile that even has its tongue sticking out. This guy's a real trickster. Now add two arms on the sides as if he's still inside the barrel with just his head popped out. This little friend has a sweet tooth for honey and he's not afraid to show it. Next up, let's focus on that honey drum. Make it drip, drizzle, and splatter with gooey, delicious honey all over. And don't forget the details. Add some nuts and bolts too to make it even more authentic. Give it a big, broad, round body to complete the look. But that's not all. Let's put up a honey sign on the barrel. Craft the word honey on it and stick it with some nails onto the drum. Add wooden plank details to give it that rustic touch. And, to make it even sweeter, add more honey dripping down the sides of the barrel and onto the ground. Now let's bring this delightful scene to life with colors. Give that honey a vibrant, classic hue of golden yellow. As for the wooden barrel, go for classic shades of brown to make it look all cozy and inviting. Our cute Halloween masterpiece is ready to make your day sweeter than honey. If you had a blast creating this adorable scene, don't forget to show us some love by giving us a big thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button. And we'll catch you in our next enchanting art adventure. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, stay creative and keep on drawing, my friends.